On this episode, I'll show you how to create this adorable tropical island Christmas card using Lawn Fawn die cuts and Judikins Diamond Glaze. Die cut the shapes in the Christmas palm tree die cut set using the cardstock colors of your choice. Using the pre-folded 5x7-inch white card, die cut a window with the 1 3/4-inch rectangular die. Assemble the cut shapes using diamond glaze. Cut a piece of light blue cardstock to fit your card's inside, and use a star stencil and white, or yellow if you prefer, paint to create a star field. I spread the paint first with a brayer, then finished with a plastic card to get the paint into the tiny holes of the stencil. Once dried, cut the cardstock to remove any rough edges. Using diamond glaze, adhere the star field to the white card, aligning it to the top edge of the card. Adhere the completed palm tree to the star field with diamond glaze, making sure all of the pieces are securely adhered. Handwrite or print Happy Tropical Holidays on orange or light brown cardstock. Trim this to fit at the bottom of the card. Cut top of sand cardstock to create a curve simulating a sand dune, slightly overlapping tree base. Apply a small amount of diamond glaze on top of each light and ornament. Let dry completely. This gives the lights and ornaments some shiny depth. With a strip of trio double-sided tape, adhere a sheet of embossable window plastic to the inside of the hole in the front of the card. For this and more fun projects and project supplies, visit our website. And don't forget to like us on social media.